Don't let the classic looks fool you. This Bentley is loaded with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. You've got all the bells and whistles you'd expect in a modern luxury car. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, a premium sound system, it's all there. But Bentley takes it a step further with its connected services. You can remotely monitor your car's status, control the climate, and even lock and unlock the doors from your smartphone. It's like having a personal assistant for your car. And let's not forget about safety. The Flying Spur Hybrid comes standard with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide peace of mind and make every drive safer and more enjoyable. Section 5. The green lane advantages of hybrid luxury. So why choose the Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid over its gas-guzzling siblings? For starters, it's the most fuel-efficient Bentley ever made. You can save some serious green at the pump, and you'll be doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. But it's not just about fuel economy. The electric motor provides instant torque, which translates to quicker acceleration and a more responsive driving experience. And when you're cruising on electric power alone, the silence is simply divine. The Flying Spur Hybrid offers the best of both worlds. You get the performance and luxury you expect from a Bentley, with the added benefit of sustainability. Section 6. Greenbacks for green tech, weighing the costs. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid doesn't come cheap. In fact, it'll set you back a pretty penny. But you're getting what you paid for: exclusivity, craftsmanship, and a driving experience that's second to none. And let's not forget about the fuel savings. While the initial cost may be higher, you'll save money in the long run on gas. Plus, you might even qualify for some sweet government incentives for driving a hybrid. It's an investment, no doubt about it. But if you can swing it, the Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid is worth every penny.